As the COVID-19 pandemic hit Louisiana, HIV testing dropped off drastically, and doctors are getting more and more concerned about it.
Yeah, that's because we have some of the highest HIV rates in the nation. Sam Winstrom shows us how a local DJ is stepping up to try and get more people tested.
When the world turned its focus to stopping the spread of COVID-19, the HIV epidemic didn't stop. The Center for Disease Control says that before the pandemic began, Louisiana had one of the highest rates of HIV and AIDS in the country. And with the immediate need for more COVID testing, HIV testing took a back seat. A recent study published by The Lancet shows that HIV testing dropped more than 50% in New Orleans from 2019 to 2020. Pre-pandemic, an estimated 13% of new HIV cases were undiagnosed. Now, they believe around 40% of new HIV infections are unaccounted for. Those undiagnosed HIV cases are people who aren't getting the treatment they need, could still be spreading the virus, and ultimately are much more likely to die because of it. DJ Rockaway wants to change that. He's teaming up with Crescent Care to provide free HIV testing at his show Lanyap at Tipitina's this Saturday.
All of my events have been about access, creating access to quality events for young black people in New Orleans. Every single one. This particular one, we have the added access of the opportunity to check out your sexual health.
It's an event DJ Rockaway has hosted for years because even without COVID-19, there have always been social stigmas that stopped people from getting tested.
When we're in here on Saturday night, it's a community. No matter who you are, who you walked in with, who you didn't walk in with, it's a community. So to watch other pieces of your community step outside, get a test real quick, and come back to the party, why wouldn't that make it easier for you to do the same thing?
A chance for the community to come together after 2 years of isolation and continue the fight against HIV and AIDS and the stigma surrounding it. Sam Winstrom, Eyewitness News.